Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody, guys. To Americans, I would like to wish the happy Thanksgiving. So today it's will be a really quiet session because as you know, in Japan is holiday and in the United States the holiday, so market will be rather thin, and most probable action in such a market, it's some kind of the relief and maybe minor gradual retracement, some sideways action probably is possible. And that's why today we will take a look at the euro currency in the first video. On the second video will be on the Japanese yen. This minor setup also exists on the Japanese yen today. What we could say about the euro currency. So currently on the daily chart everything looks not bad. So you can see indeed market shows fast return up after this collapse. Here we see that thrusting action with the tail close, minor retracement. Yesterday we also got very significant upward action, so our suggestion, it seems to be correct. This market indeed could form the reverse hand shoulder pattern here, and some further upward depreciation is possible. The most important thing that we could today on the market, especially on the euro currency, to manage the position. So move your stops, guys. So depending on where you have taken the position, move your stop either to the break even or at least below these lows, because that's the most recent important retracement was standing here. Maybe even you could move to the break even. Just do not forget to manage. As I explained yesterday, if I do not talk about it in every video, you should not forget anyway to do this. If you feel some suspicious, some doubts on the possible upward action, or your starts to scare on your profit that you have here, make the 50% decision. So grab the profit on the half of your position, move your stop on the rest and the break even, and just relax. So that's common way to manage the profitable positions. So if you're not sure, if you have some doubts and you can't relax on this, just take the half of the profit. So that's been said, the major important thing right now is to manage your position after this rally that we've got yesterday. So if we'll take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, here indeed price action is developing something in the shape of the hand shoulders. Currently market has stopped just by the completion of some temporal intraday target. If indeed market will follow to the upside, the target based on this hand shoulder pattern will be AB equals CD, stands approximately 120 even. In this case, if we'll take a look at the daily chart, 120 evens will be very close to the previous top, and I think that will be sufficient action to create potentially the double repo on the weekly chart. This of course will be just the half of the pattern, because to get the double repo on the weekly we need to whole move down back to these lows. Because this will be the first top of the double repo, this will be the second top, and to get this second top, market should drop. This will be probably already in December, and maybe it's triggered by the FOMC meeting, who knows. But the fact that market will climb right to this point will be important moment in the whole double repo framework on euro currency. So that's the target. That's the level that we should keep an eye on as possible potential of this upward action. On the hourly chart, guys, everything also looks fine. So you can see market indeed has broken our flag consolidation. We said this will be second confirmation. Indeed this has happened, and currently, as you can see, market has hit minor targets. So 1833 of this A, B, C bottom, 1618 extension. So currently I do not expect to get some real activity. So let's see what will happen. Maybe even not tomorrow, but on the next week, because tomorrow probably also hardly will be very significant activity on the market. It's probably the major liquidity will return back only on the next week. And as I said, the most important thing is to manage the position today. So protect your profit, move your stops. So do not forget to do this every time when you will appear in the situation like today.